Hey there, everybody. I hope you're having a great Thursday. It's a rainy Thursday here. I've kind of been enjoying sitting this morning. You know, what a great blessing it is just to have a roof over your head and four walls and a roof, as Maggie on The Walking Dead would say. You know, and being able to have your senses of hearing, smelling, touching, taste, the whole thing. You know, if you look at every day, it's just sort of an uplifting experience. I mean, you woke up, you can see, you can hear, you've got all your senses. You know, one of the senses that I've really been focused on this morning is listening to the rain. So as I have gone through my art day, when it really starts raining super hard, then I stop everything I'm doing and just listen to the rain, you know, pounding on the roof. It's just really mesmerizing sound. Today, guys, we are unboxing a travelok.com box. This is an amazing find. We have to thank our friend Miss C, because Miss C sent me something from travelok.com, and it made me very curious about the rest of their travel brochures and what they had to offer. I went online to travelok.com and found, oh my goodness, just all kinds of awesome things. It is, you know, we're not going places right now. It looks like, you know, it's sort of looking like maybe New Jersey and New York will kind of shut down again. So as we're just kind of not able to travel the way we want to, we can order things like this and travel virtually, especially over the winter when it's just difficult to get out because of the weather and snow and rain and cold and things like that. So it's a fun little project, and that's kind of what I'm going to do with these things. I'm going to turn them into a virtual travel project, and it encourages you to you know, to live in the as if, you know, let's pretend, which, you know, when we grow up we kind of get out of that pretending stage. But let's pretend that we are going to be able to travel, you know, in the spring and summer of next year. And we are going to conduct a survey of places that we would like to go, that we would like to visit, things we would like to do. So let's, you know, let's get into that powerful, positive mindset of the as if. So this is one of the brochures. I've always wanted to go down Route 66. And the way that I want to go down Route 66 is I want to go in a 1958 convertible Thunderbird. That's how I want to go. How do you want to go? So do you see this? I mean, your questions can start right now. How do you want to travel? What do you want to do? You know, do you want to travel by bus, motorcycle? What is your mode of travel for this as if trip you were taking? This is just, you guys, some stellar stuff. I might have to zoom out here for just a minute. Now bear with me, you know, if this makes you kind of queasy, just close your eyes. I'm gonna kind of, yeah, zoom out just a wee. You know what? Maybe we should just take it out of the box. And let's do that. So you can see that I ordered quite a bit because everything was just mesmerizing. Okay, so we have our Route 66 travel guide, and this actually even has like a big map that you can, look, that's an old car, that's not a Thunderbird, that you can, world's largest concrete totem pole, Chile that's Will Rogers approved, just, you know, just, oh my, I mean, imagine just opening a box like this on a winter's night when it's super cold and you don't want to watch TV because TV is just, let's face it, it's just a downer right now. And, you know, you may not be watching anything on Netflix right now. We've kind of hoarded all our Netflix watching to when it's really cold. The other thing in here is an official Oklahoma US 66 passport. Now look at the way this baby is all arranged here. It even has a place where when you visit, you can log notes. Look at that. Isn't that just amazing? Stroud Drug, the Butcher Barbecue Stand. I just love that little passport. Neat-o. All right, now we're into the brochures. The Stafford Air and Space Museum. Shepherd's Cross, a working farm. Visit Shawnee, Oklahoma. Don't you love this? Is that not the cutest little thing in the whole wide world? Hello, doggy. He's got his tie is a map. Okay, now we've got an envelope right here that says Oklahoma Travel. Oh, it's a sealed envelope. Okay, let's just get our scissors and cut the side off this. This is how my daddy used to do it. And then he would pop it open and he would blow in it and pop the envelope open. That's how we knew if we were going to the beach or not, because he would get checks in the mail and he would open it in front of everybody and he would blow in it, and it's like, is there a check in there? Is there a check in there? And yay, we get to go to the beach. Oh, these are super cool. So these are stickers. Okay, here we go. Look at the compass rose there. Travel. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Stay in Oklahoma. Dine Oklahoma. Cruise Oklahoma. Man. Isn't that outstanding? I just love it. Okay, let's get back into our brochures. Woolarock, Historic Lodge Homes, Animal Barn. Oh, that looks very nice. Giants roam and where very small creatures call home. This is the Tulsa Zoo. I was in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and it is very, 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 very pretty there when I was there. Now, that was a long, long time ago, but I really thought it was very cool. This is called Pops. Pops Arcadia, Soda Diner Goods. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful image that is. A must-see Route 66 landmark. And this is the Oklahoma City Official Traveler's Guide. That's luscious. Beautiful. This is the Oklahoma City National Memorial Museum. A motorcycle guide. Now, I got this specifically because my granddaddy was Wild Bill, and Wild Bill was one of the first Harley-Davidson motocross racers in the world when they first started having that competition. And my dad and my brother rides Harleys. My dad did not ride Harleys, but he loves Harley memorabilia and motorcycle memorabilia. And I think that he would enjoy seeing these images. I'll have to ask Mom because sometimes he gets confused by that, things like that. Oklahoma 2020 Travel Guide. This is an embossed cover. Good gracious. Look at the boot, y'all. Oh, this is just going to be just absolutely gorgeous to sit downstairs and read, and then I can cut out things and use them for flow journals. Oh, what a fun experience this is going to be. How delightful that the travel, that Oklahoma Travel does these just an absolutely wonderful collection. It just makes you want to go, you know. Got a nice map here. I did specifically want Indian Country Guide as well. I'm a Cherokee Indian by descent. This is absolutely beautiful. And you know, Oklahoma, that is Indian territory. It says one state, many nations. So I think this will be an excellent, like, little history of the tribes in Oklahoma. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is like embossed. It's very, very beautiful. Oh goodness, you know, your eyes just need the candy, especially right now. You need eye candy. You need brain stimulation. You need, you know, you need to kind of get out of the news cycle and put yourself into a different spot. Why not Oklahoma, right? This is the Oklahoma History Center. This is McCurtain County. I thought this was really pretty, you guys, because it was, you know, active vacationing, you know, kayaking, events, outdoor shopping, lakes, rivers, hiking, biking, that kind of thing. So I thought that was really pretty. This is the National Cowboy Museum. Isn't that awesome? The Botanical Gardens. Good gracious. The Marlin Estates, Palaces on the Prairie, 2 estates, 1 extraordinary legacy. Now that will be interesting. See, I love history. So this will be really interesting to read. Visit Muskogee, Oklahoma. Look at the night. That is so neat. So this is like a little double brochure thing. Lawton Fort Sill Visitor's Guide. Look at that beautiful waterfall, y'all. And, you know, you got to have a hard rock, right? All right, this is the piece that started it all. So I'm just going to put that to the side for just a minute. A destination dining guide. Look at that plate and look at that kid. Good grief. That's a happy guy. Cherokee Adventures. That's beautiful. That will be very interesting to me. And this is Pathfinder. This is Choctaw country. And the Choctaw Indians. Goodness me. Oh, goodness. I am just going to have an absolutely delightful time, you guys, reading these downstairs. Now, let me show you that piece that I pulled out. This was called Roots and Genealogy. This is what Miss C sent me, and I thought it was so interesting. Discover your roots along our routes, genealogy, travel in Oklahoma. Now, look at this thing. The way it is laid out is just stellar. Sometimes I think as we enter kind of the holiday season, we get curious about our heredity, and, you know, they run commercials for Ancestry.com and all that stuff. Look at this. It has a pocket in the back, y'all. I mean, it's just really just an outstanding publication. So there we go, my friends. Check it out. TravelOK.com and order yourself some beautiful scenery from Oklahoma. We may not be able to go there right now, but remember, you know, it's a perspective thing. It's a change of attitude. It's an as if. We're going to travel to Oklahoma as if nothing is wrong, as if we have all of the freedoms that we enjoyed, you know, a few months back. Also, you guys, I mean, this would be great for, you know, we're educating our children at home now, and this would be a great way to get a glimpse of geography, history, maps, you know, all of that stuff that we think about when we think about geography. So thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you guys order you some beautiful, beautiful TravelOK.com brochures. See you later, y'all. Bye.